this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 30mm wheel spacers on your Maserati. After installing the 30mm wheel spacers, they can move the wheels farther away from the suspension. This enlarges the track width. As the track width increases, the Maserati performance tends to get more stable, and handling usually improves too. The tire's lateral grip also improves. With these Maserati wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing wheel spacers is an effective way to keep tires from bumping the aftermarket shock absorbers. A car with a lower center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced roll and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers with the corresponding thicknesses. This improves the whole experience on your ride. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. Bonus active cooling Maserati wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Maserati wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarges the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.